Welcome back to the next trail. We're at the Oakland Nature Preserve, and we have found the trail marker for the blue and the white trail. So blue trail goes right and left, and we're actually going to turn around, do an about face, and we're going to hike the white trail. So let's go ahead and do that, and you're going to see something very interesting that I've really never seen before this close. It is a controlled burn. So right off the bat, if you look over here to my left, there is a controlled burn going on here at the Oakland Nature Preserve. Because if you look to the right, there's all that lush, overgrown vegetation here. And this side, they're trying to get down to the actual soil. So you can see even the green growth is still just popping up and thriving. So very interesting to see this and the contrast of being able to walk this white trail and see on one side the controlled burn, and on the other side is just that overgrown vegetation that can be troublesome if there is a forest fire. It also can be troublesome if there's plants in there that are not supposed to be here. So a lot of times the controlled burn can actually compensate for that as well. So I'll learn more about controlled burns and we'll talk about them in future videos. But right now, let's just go ahead and enjoy this white trail. I'm really glad that you're here with me today to be able to see the controlled burn efforts here. And it's just fascinating to see it. It's just that little quadrant. So we're getting to an area here that is a white trail is going to intersect with the trailhead for the purple trail. And there is a little bit more controlled burn efforts between the blue trail, also the white trail, some of the purple trail, and also some of that orange trail. So let's continue walking the white trail here and see what we can find. We've just finished the white trail, as you can see by this arrow right here, and we're actually standing on the orange trail. So we can go left towards the orange trail and continue on exploring the Oakland Nature Preserve in Oakland, Florida. Thank you for being here today, and just being on a new trail, seeing some of these preservation efforts is just eye-opening and very special to see it. I've never seen it before up close and personal, but definitely take that into account when they're talking about doing controlled burns or whatever it may be, and how that is actually the goal of the preservation efforts.